friends, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be sharing my profit and loss in one of my trading accounts for the past 1 year. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. It's called Swing Traders Hub. This is my channel. I'm Yamini Prabhu. I'm a certified technical analyst. I make videos on technical analysis through this channel. So if you are interested in learning how to do swing trading, then do consider subscribing to this channel. And friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how I have been able to make 40% return in the past 1 year through swing trading. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. This is my P&L for the past 1 year. The date I have kept is June 2020 to June 2021, and between this time, yes, of course I have made some profit, also I have made some loss. So my maximum loss has been, I guess, over here. I think recent one over here, my maximum loss must have been over here at 4,200. Suddenly one day I wanted to take an intraday trade, and that was when I had my maximum loss. And my maximum profit, I think this one over here, 5,300. So let me first show you what is the overall number. So 81,900, so 82,000 rupees profit I have been able to make in the past 1 year with a capital of just 2 lakh rupees, which is about 40%. So how have I been able to achieve this? I will discuss more about that later. Let us just look at the kind of average amount that you can make in every single trade. So in Amaraja Battery I have been able to make 4,000, 2,000, 4,500, 4,200. So on an average you can make about 3,000 rupees per trade using my swing trading formula. And I always tend to keep my losses minimal. That is the way to do it. So this is actually the next page. So as you can see, 1,500 loss, 1,800 profit, 5,000 profit, 570 loss, 2,500 loss, 2,300 profit, 3,750 profit. So this is how my journey has been. It has been a very difficult journey actually. Not after I started doing swing trading, because after I started doing swing trading, it has been a very, very easy and comfortable and stress-free journey. Friends, I highly recommend swing trading for people who are just getting started in the stock market. If you are just getting started in the stock market, do not get into intraday trading. That is like you are setting yourself for tragedy, because there will be trading is an emotional game, and if you get started with intraday trading, you are going to not be able to accept all the emotions that you will have to face. There's a lot of stress in intraday trading, which I really didn't like. But the minute I started shifting to swing trading, everything changed. My life has been very good. I'm very happy with my trading journey as well. So friends, this is what I wanted to show you. On an average you can make about 3,000 rupees for profit using this strategy, and that's what I have been able to achieve over the past 1 year. And friends, the best part is I actually teach this strategy for people who want to learn. If you are a working professional, I highly recommend swing trading for you, because it's very easy, okay, to grow your capital using swing trading, because as a swing trader you're taking trades in a daily time frame. Let me show you one of my trades. So friends, recently I took a trade in Adani Ports, and that's the trade I'm going to share with you right now. So basically swing trading means, you should be, let's say this is one swing, right? I mean, this is one big swing. From here to here is one swing. I mean, of course there has been one small dip over here, one more dip over here, and in fact even till here, and one more over here until here. You can trail your stop loss, or you can exit over here, or you can stay till this end, okay. in anyway, this capturing one swing, that's what we want. This is another swing, this is another one, another one, right? So ideally you as a swing trader, what you want to do is you want to enter over here and you want to exit over here. Okay, so if you take this swing, you want to enter over here and you want to exit over here. Why? Because this is a reversal, right? I mean, the market went higher and then it comes down, so when it comes down you want to exit. So capturing this move, which is a pretty big move, capturing this move, this my friends is swing trading. Okay, now in Adani Ports, what is the kind of trade I took? This is the kind of trade I took. I think I entered at 764, somewhere here I entered 764. Yeah, on this day I entered and I exited over here at 885. So this is the money I made. This is the money I made. It was a very good profit. It was actually about 18% profit I made from this trade. And friends, what I do is I use momentum. I use a momentum strategy to do my swing trading, and I teach this particular strategy. If you want to know more about this strategy, I will share a link in the description box, and I think if possible I'll try to post it on this video itself, where you can click on that link and you can go and register to one of my upcoming webinars, which is happening on July 3rd. So in that webinar, I'm planning to explain the top 3 secrets for profitable and consistent swing trading. So friends, if you're interested in learning more about how I'm able to make this kind of profit, please do consider attending the webinar, because I mean, whether you want to take my course or not, you can still attend the webinar and learn how it is possible to make the kind of returns you can make from swing trading. So my main reason is I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals. I'm saying, as a working professional, you can take up swing trading as a side business, and you can grow your capital from 1 lakh to 3 lakh rupees as a milestone. So friends, if you are interested in learning more about how to grow your capital from 1 lakh to 3 lakh rupees through swing trading, please attend my webinar. Okay, and I'm not asking you to do anything more, just attend the webinar, and it's happening on July 3rd. More details in the description box. And friends, lastly, thank you so much for all the support you have been giving me for this channel, and for my venture as well. So I have started a new venture called Swing Traders Hub. So you can go and check out the website. Even over there you will have a link to this webinar. So I've been taking a lot of time to post new videos. I'll try to be more regular in posting videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.